Hello everyone, welcome to all of you. Today we will going to discuss government schemes. So sometimes it is quite confusing for students to understand those government schemes which are having similar names. So in this video we will understand the important government schemes which are having similar names which is going to be very helpful for your examination point of view. So now let's begin our discussion. This lecture is presented by me. Here you can see something about me. Now, the first scheme is Ujala scheme. The full form of Ujala is Unnat Jyoti by Affordable LEDs for All. It has been launched by Ministry of Power. In this scheme, government will provide LED bulbs or at affordable cost to promote efficient lighting, replace incandescent bulbs to reduce electricity bill and save power, preserve environment. Next one is Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana. It is to provide LPG connection to the women of below poverty line. It has been launched by Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas to prevent health hazards associated with cooking based on fossil fuel. So now this scheme is quite important for us because it has also been mentioned in Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. So it is important for us. Now the next scheme is Ujjwala scheme. The main difference between these two is Pradhan Mantri. If you find Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala scheme, then it is related to LPG connection, and if you find only Ujjwala scheme, then it is related to prevention of women trafficking. So this scheme is related to prevention of trafficking and rescue victims of trafficking for commercial and sexual exploitation. It has been launched by Ministry of Women and Child Development. So we learned three schemes with similar names: Ujala, Ujjwala, and Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana. Ujala scheme is related to providing LED bulbs at affordable cost. Ujjwala scheme is related to prevention of women trafficking, and Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana is related to providing LPG connection to poor households. Now, the next scheme is Saksham Mahotsav. The full form of Saksham is the Sanrakshan Shamta Mahotsav. It has been launched to create awareness among masses towards the judicious utilization of petroleum products and energy efficient appliances. It has been launched by Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. It is a month-long awareness program to educate peoples by workshop, concerts, etc. Next scheme is Project Saksham. It is related to goods and service tax. It will help indirect tax department cater to large number of taxpayer after GST. It is a single window interface for facilitating trade, which is also known as SWIFT. Next one is Udan scheme. The full form of Udan is Ude Desh Ka Aam Nagrik. It has been launched by Ministry of Civil Aviation to making flight affordable and economical at regional level for unreserved and under-reserved airports on viability gap funding. The cost of 1 hour journey is only 1500 rupees, which is so much cheaper. So this scheme is related to giving wings to every citizen. Ude Desh Ka Aam Nagrik. Next one is Udan scheme. It has been launched by Ministry of Human Resources and Development. It is a program to give wings to girl students aimed at addressing lower enrollment of girls in IIT or engineering colleges and providing them financial assistance for their education. Next one is Nai Udan. It has been launched by Ministry of Minority Affairs to provide free coaching to peoples of minority preparing for various entrance examination. Now the Vishwas scheme, it is a legacy dispute resolution scheme notified by government for closing pending dispute relating to legacy service tax and central excise cases. The main objective of this scheme is to free the large number of small taxpayers of their pending dispute with the tax administration. Now the next scheme is Vivad Se Vishwas scheme. It provides a mechanism for resolution of pending tax dispute related to direct taxes in simple and speedy manner. So thank you for watching this video.